Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn eco mode off on your Delonghi Magnifica S. We need to turn the machine off. So right now this is ready to make coffee. So I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to let it shut itself down. There we go. So this is now off, but it's still on at the mains, and also the switch at the back of it is on as well. We need to hit this button here for around 5 seconds until eco starts flashing up. There we go, you can see eco is now up here, and now we're going to hit this button here, and basically when it's flashing like that, that means then eco is going to be off. If you hit it again, that's for eco on, hit it again, eco off. So when it's flashing, that means it's off, and we need to confirm by hitting this button here, and now eco will be off. So next time we turn it on, you can now see the eco light is not lit up because the eco mode has been turned off. And every time from now on, when we turn it off and on, eco mode will not be on again. Thanks for watching.